Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shola Azari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do the card to mouth card trick. But before that, let's introduce you to my special friend. What's your name?
I'm Shuri, come on.
Just say it loudly, they
Yeah,
couldn't
my
hear
name
it.
is Shuri.
Yeah,
Hey.
and he is special because this channel was started by three people. One was Saurav Haldar, and one was me, and one was he. So him, or he, him. So he and Saurav Haldar, he used to be a member of this channel like 4 years ago, and that's why he is so special. And he is one of my best friends. He has moved on to a speed metal band, and it's a new band. It's called Mustang. Make sure you check that out. And we know we have already been talking so much. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Okay guys, this is how the card trick looks like. But before doing the card trick, my friend is on the behind the scenes. He's going to select the card and he's going to actually help me shoot this video. So you can see over here, I have this deck of cards with all the cards mixed up, right? Now I'll ask my friend to select a playing card, and when I'll just snap my finger, his playing card is going to come to the top. Okay, so let's say touch a playing card, just touch one, take one, take it out, show it to the camera. Yes, done.
Yeah.
Perfect. So keep this card over here. Now you can see this is the three of diamonds, which I'm going to bring on the top of the deck. Not on the top of the deck, but more than that. Okay, you will understand after the trick. So you can see the three of diamonds is here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this three of diamonds, push it somewhere here in this fan of cards, and I want you to push it somewhere inside so that I can't control it.
Oh wait, look at this. Check this out.
The three of diamonds has traveled to the top onto my mouth, you know. Let's see how you can do this card trick. Okay guys, this is how this card trick is actually done. Now for doing this card trick, you need to know the fake card control, which I taught you like a few weeks ago or a few days ago. I don't remember, but I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can check that card trick out. And you need to know that fake card control in order to do this card trick, because this card trick is actually based on that. So if you have a deck of cards right now, just take that deck of cards and start practicing. Well, let's see how you can do this card trick. So first, you're going to have this deck of cards like this. You're going to ask your spectator to take a playing card. For example, let's say just take him out. So he took a playing card, that is the 8 of diamonds, and as he keeps over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break under the bottom card, and I'm going to do the fake card control that looks just like this. Okay, so it looks like that I've kept his card, that is the 8 of diamonds over here, but no, I've not kept his card, that is the 3 of diamonds, which was actually on the bottom of this pack of cards, and his card is right now over here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to ask him to push this card in, just push it in. And while he did that, while he pushed that card in, you have seen this hand moving upwards. So this card was over here and this hand went up, and this card was actually, I actually took this card in my mouth just like this, and then I snapped my fingers on the top of the deck so that he turns over the card on the top of the deck. And yes, he didn't find this card and he looked at my mouth, and that is the time when he found that this card was actually in my mouth. So that is how this card trick is done. Now the best angle for doing this card trick is actually at your waist level, because when you're asking your spectator to push their playing card inside, which is actually not their playing card. So for example, let's say this is their playing card, and you're going to just ask your spectator to push this playing card inside over here. So you're going to keep this pack right over here at the waist level while they are pushing the card, so that when they are pushing the card, they are looking straight down at your waist level. And if they are looking straight down at your waist level, your other hand is free and they are not looking up at you, and you go and take this card in your mouth. They push the card in just like this. You snap your finger, they turn over this card which is still at your waist level. This part is still at your waist level, and they turn over this card. They don't find their card, and they look at your face, and they see that this card is actually in your mouth. And that is how this card trick is done. And I'm very much sorry for the honking car outside. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this today's tutorial on the card to mouth card trick. Make sure you hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shol_Zari. Also, if you want to follow him on Instagram, what's your Instagram username?
Thunderbastard.
Fuck you bastards! So that's his Instagram username, Thunderbastard. Go and follow him on Instagram at Thunderbastard, and follow me on Instagram at Shol_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. Link to both of our channels will be provided in the description box. And you know the rest. What you have to do, that is smashing the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!